Hello students, welcome back to your maths online class, and I hope you all had a lovely Dashera and I hope you all enjoyed yourself. So let's get back to our studies. So last what did we do? We did numbers till 1600. Now today we are going to write numbers from 1601 to 1700. So let's begin writing. 1601, 1602, 1603, 1604, 1605, 1606, 1607, 1608, 1609, 1610. Please make sure that you all leave a box in between, and I have given these dots for you to leave a box also. So what comes after 1610? 1611, 1612, 1613, 1614, 1615, 1616, 1617, 1618, 1619, and what comes after 1619? 1620. Alright. Then 1621, 1622, 1623, 1624, 1625, 1626, 1627. I hope you all are staying with ma'am and writing. Okay. Then 1628, 1629, 1630. Alright. Now 1631, 1632. Please don't forget to leave a box. 1633, 1634, 1635, 1636, 1637, 1638. Please say and write, boys. 1639, 1640. Alright. Then last line 1641, 1642, 1643, 1644, 1645. Then 1646, 6, 1647, 1648, 1649, and 1650. Okay, boys, can you all see the neat work ma'am has done for you all? And ma'am wants the same work in the copies also. Do your work very neatly. Don't forget to write 1,000, 100, tens and ones in single boxes, okay? Write TH in one box, H in one box, T in one box and O in one box. And then this dot is there for you to leave a box. And then leave a box and write your work. So do your work very neatly and submit your work also on time. So what comes after 1650? Then comes 1651, 1652, 1653, 1654, 1655, 1656, 1657, 1658, 1659. And what comes after 59? 1660. Then 1661, 1662, 1663, 1664, 1665, 1666, 1667, 1668, 1669. And what comes after 69? 1670. Then 1671, 1672, 1673. Oops! See, this is what happens. Sometimes we make a mistake. So you have to be very attentive and careful, okay? So, what comes after 72? 73. 1674. 1675. 1676. 1677. 1678. 1679. 1680. Okay. 1681. 1682. 1683. 1684. 1685. Are you all saying and writing? Yes? Okay. Don't fall off to sleep. 1686. 1687. 1688. 1689. 1690. So I hope you all are doing this work neatly like this. Like ma'am is doing it for you all. Then 1691. 1692. 1693. Okay, can you see clearly? 1694. 1695. 1696. Then 1697. 1698. Now what comes after 98? 1699. And what comes after 1699? 1700. So do your work neatly like this, how ma'am has done this work for you. Alright, students, and please submit your work on time. A lot of boys are not submitting their work on time. Ma'am has a lot of problem because then I have to keep on checking the previous work. So please, the day I give you the work, the same day do your work and submit it. It's hardly a matter of 10 minutes only. See, ma'am, it only took hardly any time for ma'am to write the work. And if you sit with everything ready, with your copies open, with your pencils well sharpened, and with your rubbers, and with your rulers and your blue pencil, you will finish your work fast also. And do your work neatly. Okay? Do your work neatly and submit your work. And see that the picture that you click is nice and clear also. So submit your work on time and be safe, eat healthy and be good boys and stay at home. And make sure that you keep washing your hands regularly. Always make sure that you wash your hands. When you play also, when you touch your toys, when you touch your cycle, whatever, after touching anything, please make sure that you wash your hands well. Mummy should not remind you now on and off that you have to wash your hands. You have to keep on washing your hands now. So be safe and be good boys. Bye boys. See, ma'am has left this board for you to see. Okay, I am not clicking the picture. I have just left this for you to see. and those who don't remember, those who forget the numbers can see this board and they can say the numbers.